For me personally,
One,
first
two,
assignment as an
three.
ambassador, I had my
Yes.
family with me, and since Pope Francis was very
Riley, you're covering your eyes. They can see.
when
Look at here, Riley. It's the last day.
What is plain
Oh.
rice? What's plain rice?
It's just rice. It's not a fried rice. It's just regular rice. Plain rice means regular rice.
Why did he add another rice?
Privilege. I don't know. Just eat Riley. I don't just eat.
Take out it with plastic.
Riley. Last day. Donald City crew and is eating.
And it Hey guys, it's our last day of McDonald's and we're almost done for McDonald's because it's only 5 days. So
It's only on the nose. Not on the heart.
bye guys. My hand, it's cold, see? Freezing. I'm like a freezer now.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day and for all the blessings you have given us. Thank you for the opportunity to make new friends, learn new things, and enjoy new experience. Guide us to always be kind, helpful, and responsible, whether at home, in school, or wherever we go. Bless our families, our new friends at McDonald's, and the Kiddie Group program, so we may continue to grow, learn, and have fun together. Amen.
Amen. Sabay-sabay na yung larong group yourself. Okay, ganito lang yung madali lang ang larong group yourself. So, kailangan nyo lang is, i-group nyo yung sabihin nyo kung ilan yung number na sasabihin nyo. Yan, Jello. Okay, o, alam nyo naman. Sige, sample natin. Group yourself into 4. 4. 4. Group yourself into 4. Ayan. And then, kung sino ang magtula, ibig sabihin, eliminated agad, ha? Okay? Sige, sakto, 4. Balik tayo sa pinaka-pilaw. Balik tayo sa pinaka-pilaw.
Ako yung nang-agaw kay Noy.
Riley.
Mas malakas na yung energy natin kasi nakamic na ako ngayon. Okay? Sige, hawak kamay tayo. Dapat, pag tumutugtog yung music, ang gagawin nyo lang is, iikot lang kayo ng magkakahawak ng kamay. Then, pag nag-stop at music, tapos nagsabi na ako ng number, doon pa lang kayo mag-group, okay? Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan, Camper? Say yes if I 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, ayan. Kaya naman, sige. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, syempre, wala pa. Sige, dito gawin sa gitna. Okay, yan. Palapit sila ng palapit sa labas. Baka mamaya mapunta tayo sa gita. Ayan, ha. Sige, in. Oh, sure na yan. In 3. In 3, 2, 1. Ikot!
Game start!
Ay, gusto ko yung sumasayaw habang umiikot. Kailangan naka-circle pa din. Okay, naka-circle pa din dapat. Naka-circle pa din. Groupers up into 2. Oh, sige. Ayan, 10 lang kayo. Pag yan, nagkulang pa kayo. Ayan. Ngayon, sige, balik kayo sa balik ka. Balik sa big circle. Balik sa big circle. Wala pa. Ayan, balik sa big circle. Ayan. Sige, balik tayo. Group yourself in support. Sige, 5 na. 5. Lalagyan pa natin yung time, ha? Ang gagawin natin, kunyari sinabi ko, group yourself in support. Tapos, pag sinabi kong plus 2, syempre dapat mag-group kayo into 6. Okay? Okay, balik tayo sa natin, sa big circle. Ayan. Okay lang yan. Let's go. Okay lang yan, kahit sa kayo pumunta. Okay? Center kayo, ha? Okay lang yan. Okay. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Group yourself into 3. Plus 4. Plus 4. Group 4. Sino matalo? Dahil syempre wala ko na kayong pa-premyo, upo mo na ngayon.
Got me why you hold me like a clothespin. I make your breath stand up, I make your heart sing. My girl just give me, 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 give
Group yourself into four. Wait lang, hindi ka makakon.
Chin! Chin, sabi mo na, Chin! Sabi mo, Chin! It's okay! Ano kuya, talo na tayo?
Group yourself into one. Last one. Siyempre, tuwakan na lang kayo. Group yourself into two plus one. plus 1 ha, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1.
Ano? Kaya pa. First grade pa lang yan. Grade pa lang. Hindi pa rin yan.
Ayan. Umalis ka ate dahil dyan. Tatlo na lang. Hindi mo sa Ellen. Sige ha. Sasayaw pa ulit ha. Dito kayo sa gitna. Dito kayo sa gitna. Ayan. Okay. Very sure. Dalawa na lang ha. Dapat may dinaiyak ka. Siyempre, hindi naman natin mamatitibay lang. Kaya dahil dyan, dapat parehas silang may
Yeah, good job.
Is it good, guys? Guys, what's this? What's this? It's not nice.
Sticky note. There is note, Riley, where you can write on that. Can you say you win?
Nakaisa na siya. Ako isa lang. Then sila tatlo niyan. Kaya ang first to be. Ayan. Yung dalawa. Siyempre may consolation prize pa din.
Malaba pa si Kuya.
Dalawang magkapatid. Okay. So, sila na kaya? 3, go!
job.
Dahil dyan, yung mga consolation prize si Ate Say. Dahil dyan, eto sa'yo, Kuya. Unahan ito ha. 1, 2, 3, go. And cheese, toes, shoulders, and ears,
Okay lang yun, Be. Mamaya. Oh, yeah. Okay lang yun. Ha? Okay lang.
That's okay, there's a lot of games.
Chill lang. Chill lang. Ay, no! Mamaya, bibili tayo nga Happy Meal mo para meron ka ding Happy Meal back, no? O, tama na, wala nang iyak. Tama na. Dadance pa tayo mamaya, no? Tama na. Walang iiyak. Walang iiyak. Paabot ako na mga.
Very good, very good.
Dadance tayo mamaya. Wala tayong dalawa. Mamaya bibili tayo ng Happy Meal tayo ng Happy Meal back, no?
Siyempre, so, kailangan pa natin mapamigay. Lahat kasali, ha? Ayan. O, lahat na makakapagdala dito. Sige, Gina. Ano yung mga nagbigay? Ayan. Bigyan mo si Jaden. Sige, pwede kayo pumili dito kung ano yung gusto nyo. Sige, pili kayo. Yung mga hindi nakakuha. Pili kayo. Pili. Okay, pili. In 5, sabay-sabay tayo magbilang. Babara sa 5. Sabay-sabay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sigaw kayo, isang malakas na remix. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan na! Bigyan mo natin yung space remix na! Okay, tapos na tayo. Ayan! 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 Sabayan nyo nga si remix! Sabayan mo si remix! Ayan, sige! Go, baby! Sabayan mo si remix! Ayan! Sige, pwede kayo naman si remix! Ayan! Bago kayo mag-remix! Ayan. Punta mo lang kayo dito. Ayan. Sige, lahat po tayo. Punta dito. Yung mga kids natin. Ayan. Ate Tel, come here. Kuya Joaquin, dito kain. Let's go. Okay.
Riley, hug Grimace.
Ayan, abot naman
Why don't you hug
picture
him?
tayo.
Hug him.
Let's
Ask
go.
for Grimace shake.
Picture tayo. Anitel.
Riley. Riley. Riley.
Go, Kyrie! Kyrie! There's a green ribbon.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's dead?
That's his.
Days sa McDonald's, which is yung Kitty Crew Anthem. Okay, stand up tayo. Remove muna natin yung mga certificates natin. Asan? Ilalim ko muna. Mami ni Jade, yung certificate po. Give mo muna kay Mami yung certificates. Let's go!
To go to one place where we look back to special days. We depend on this, we're gonna make things happen.
Yung kamay natin!
As we
tayo, pwesto tayo. Baby girl, dito ka sa harap. Ayan, para nakikita tayo dito. Noy, dito ka, no. Ronald Dan! Okay, Kitty Crew? Okay, Ron! Miguel! Jump! Number 2, Miguel! Okay, your hands!
A proud member of McDonald's Kitty Crew Workshop Bootcamp Edition do solemnly promise to always give my best effort in everything I do. I will practice the good habits and positive attitudes I've learned as a Kitty Crew member. I will strive to be diligent, responsible, respectful, and friendly. Above all, I will choose happiness, spreading smile to everyone I met, met
I met
with every step.
with every step.
I will proudly say,
I will proudly say,
love ko to,
love ko to,
love ko to, love ko to.
love ko to, love ko to.
Congratulations, Kitty Girl!
It's me and Riley. Riley. Oh.
Hi. Look at this. What is this tie?
Oh no. Really? Bezonia has new something here. It's a real bunny. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Are you not scared of the bunny? Really? No, it's very realistic.
Come on, baby. Not there. Okay, bye. Bye.
Riley, go inside your castle.
Guys, I'm gonna show you how.
Show me the entrance. Where's the passage?
Guys, I'll show you how I go to inside my castle. See? All right. And then if you want to let it be very, very dark, this is what you do. So no one interrupts you.
Realistic donkey right here.
Yeah, realistic donkey.
Let's go look for the chips.
Wait, I think I know. That's not. No. Where is that?
Riley, here. Rose.
Ruffles.
Riley.
Hi. Big grocery. We're going home now. Bye.